Okay.
Hi Mika. How are you?
Nice.
Yeah. Are you going to show me
This is
around
the
your house? Okay.
You like to meet the people?
Yep, sure. Should we go around?
Maybe it's too long.
What did you do at school today, Mika?
I read books and do work.
Oh, okay. You been a good boy at school?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good on you.
Oh, watch out.
So what's this place here?
And that's where the boys put their clothes,
Yeah.
everything. And there's boys and girls.
Okay, so we'll go meet the boys and girls?
Okay.
Okay.
It's time.
So this is the backyard, Grandma's house.
Okay.
That's the toilet and bathroom, showers. And
You
then,
know those two boys?
okay, wait. We'll go first to over here.
Okay. This
Okay.
is Moa.
This is Moa.
Oh. Say hi.
Hi Moa. How are you today?
Yeah,
Alright. What are you doing? Okay. So Moa's washing dishes.
okay, come on, let's go and see. Hi, Tim. Say hi.
This is Terry.
Yes. Making the fire.
What are you doing, Terry?
Making a barbecue.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Terry's just doing a barbecue.
That is not
Yeah.
at the top.
Let's go around.
Okay. Next one. And this is Sammy. Get away. Hi, Sammy. Say hi.
Ya orang makulis pakai kat dia nga makam.
What are you doing?
Bisa ruang ay.
Savaii, back just Savaii up there for your mate.
I'm a ice cream.
Oh.
Okay, and the next one, where is it? Oh, there. Oh, that's busy. Nani, say hi.
Well, look. So you got a message for Lauie back home?
Kamu usah. Dia mau file propus ya.
Okay. What are you doing at the moment?
Kaping.
Okay.
You ready? Okay. Action.
Done.
Hi, Mommy. What are you doing?
Washing the dishes.
Oh.
Do you want to say anything for New Zealand?
Can you say anything about New Zealand?
What?
Can you say anything about New Zealand?
Yes.
Okay, say one. Only one.
Anyone?
Hurry up.
This
New
is
Zealand.
Grandma's kitchen.
Yes. Hurry up.
The freezer.
Ủa sao mà khai để uống nè?
No.
Để cái này cũng phải ấy ấy à. Anh mình tập phúc thì ấy ấy à bên ốm mà mái. Để phải là cũng cái này phẳng mua mà lộc bế lên. Anh ấy để lấy sạch. Hả? Này đâu ca.
Yes.
Wow. Cái ấy mày.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Ui nó thuộc anh á.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, there's Van Ho sleeping.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay.
So what's over here?
And that's the back.
This one's the bathroom.
You want to go inside, but it's not finished yet.
Okay, don't worry, we'll wait till it's finished, okay? So what's down here?
Where?
Where you're standing now?
I don't think.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe it's the tank.
Oh, okay. I thought that was the tank.
What?
I thought that there was the tank.
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah, this is the tank. This is the tank.
This is a tank from så gå til gift for
It has water inside.
indtil isn't it? Now it's here in Lalomalava. So,
Some people came here and fixed the tank for my dad.
oh, okay. So it's all going now?
What?
Is it all working now?
Maybe.
Maybe?
They're living.
Oh, okay.
Time that you're not here.
Oh, okay.
And this thing, it lets water inside the tank if it's raining.
Oh, okay.
It is useful to us.
Yep. So when you run out of water, you come back over here for water?
Yeah.
Yeah?
If it's rain.
Oh, okay.
So,
And that's where they brush their teeth in the morning?
okay, this is the inside of the house.
Oh, okay.
This TV is very.
It's not working properly? You only see red?
Yeah.
Only red?
And this TV belongs to you.
No, it belongs to you.
You like it?
Yeah.
Bear with me.
I have to turn it off.
So who sleeps on that bed over there?
Samoa,
So, anyone?
me, Sam, and me.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And this where my mom sleep.
Oh, okay.
And that's the van, that's my dad,
Yeah.
and that's the other person.
We don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. Then and this is the box that Mike and Ho bring, and they give us presents. They give us bags, cookies, eggs, and everything.
Cool.
And last but not least, they bring cereal.
Cereal?
Yeah,
Like
over
what?
there.
Cornflakes and Whippix?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oopsie.
Did you have some this morning?
What?
Did you have any cornflakes this morning?
No.
No?
No.
Maybe tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll buy you a milk
But-
tomorrow.
What?
I'll buy you some more milk so you can have cornflakes.
Nah,
Nah.
that was the money.
Why not?
Okay. Okay, this is the car.
This is the car. Where did you get the car from?
I don't know.
Got it from New Zealand?
No.
Ja, hulle van there.
Come on.
That's a kleiner. And
You wanna go?
Lucky. But spray painted it, or painted it grey, I guess.
Ugh.
And I think we're going to be cruising in this tomorrow, or some other day, in the weekend, when we come back to Savaii.
Wait, are you gonna
The
use
pickup.
that
Do you want to explain?
next thing?
Your car, yeah.
Okay.
It's the pickup, yeah?
Okay. And this is the other car.
Okay.
Okay.
When did you buy this car?
Maybe. Let's tell Dad. Dad, where did you buy this car from?
From Palangi. South.
Okay. Well, how much did you buy?
5,000.
5,000? Oh, okay. It's still going good?
1999.
Oh, okay.
So this is the 6 year.
Yeah. Okay.
So remaining the bodywork.
Uh-huh.
So everything is okay.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Thank you. Hello, Lil.
Stop and say hi. Say hi.
Do you want to say anything
Say
to the
hi.
people back in New Zealand?
Say hi.
To what?
To the people back in New Zealand. Do you want to say anything?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
I want to say thank you for Auntie Vinny for the
Good.
prize,
Okay.
the dress.
Nico, hang on.
I want to say thank you for Auntie Vinny for the prize she gave me and my sister Mawa.
Okay.